Welcome! In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to turn off shared items notifications on Google Drive. If you're tired of getting constant alerts every time someone shares a file with you, this quick update will help you take back control of your notifications. It's simple, effective, and only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your main settings. This is where you can manage all of the apps and their permissions on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a full list of every application installed on your phone. Locate Google Drive and tap on it. Once you're inside the Google Drive app settings, look for the option that says Notifications and select it. This is where you can adjust everything related to how and when Google Drive sends alerts to your device. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This menu breaks down the types of notifications Google Drive can send. So instead of shutting them all off, you can be more specific about what you want to see and what you don't. Among the list, find Shared Items. This is the feature that sends you notifications whenever another person shares a file or folder with you. If you'd rather not get those updates, just tap on it. On the screen, you'll notice the option, Allow Notifications. All you need to do here is toggle it off. Once you do this, Google Drive will stop sending you notifications for shared items, while keeping other important alerts, like storage updates or upload statuses, unaffected. And that's it. With just those few steps, you've successfully turned off shared items notifications on Google Drive. This small change can make a big difference if you prefer a cleaner, less distracting notification panel. If you ever change your mind, you can simply follow the same steps and toggle the setting back on. It's completely up to you and easy to adjust anytime. Thanks for watching.